Hey, it's Josh from Keyport, and today we're looking at the Versa58 V Scale. Now, if you're familiar with the SAC modding community, you've probably seen quite a few options out there for different scales you can buy to put on your Swiss Army knife. And all of those options up until now are either press fit or glue on. Now, what we've done with the Versa58 platform is very unique because we've designed this patent pending interface plate that actually snaps right on to any Swiss Army knife 58mm. You just line up the holes on the scale with the rivets on your Swiss Army knife, and you just apply pressure here, and then you push back, and you saw how it just snapped right on. This is a titanium pin scale, and we've got quite a few other options that we launched on Kickstarter, from the mini flashlight, there's a flash drive, there's a pocket clip, but today we're talking about just the plain old V scale, which holds the different implements that you get with the 58mm Swiss Army knife, including the tweezers and the toothpick. These are the original options we launched on Kickstarter. This is machined titanium, and this is black anodized machined aluminum. We wanted to add a little bit more functionality to the V scale. We had some requests from people. They wanted to add both the toothpick and the tweezers somehow. And Dominic from Max Level EDC made a video, I'll link it right here, that shows why that's not possible. But we did do something pretty unique, and we added a slot for the pin, P-I-N. It comes in the Victorinox card, and there's an actual secret hole in the 91mm and some of the other Victorinox sizes for this pin, and people use it from everything from a makeshift compass to a SIM card tool to remove their SIM card, and there's a lot of other use cases. We managed to put a slot right in the back here on the opposite side of the toothpick cavity for a pin, and so the pin just pulls out and pushes in. There's some friction on that, so it's not going to fall out on you. The other thing we did, and this is a 3D printed mock-up, we added these 3 slots here. They're machined into the scale, and these are fidget grips, basically. Let me give you an example here. So I'm going to add the mag mount to the interface plate, and this is just another way to carry the scales we have here with these mag mounts. So you can carry 2 scales on the mag mount, and the cool thing about these is that they're really fun to fidget with, and there's all different ways to fidget with these. I've seen people use 2 hands, clicking them like this, but another one that I like to do is just sliding it forward and back with my thumb. But with this original version, it's really slick, and unless your thumb's a little bit sticky, it's hard to do. I can't even do it right now. If I take this 3D printed version and put it on the mag mount, now I've got a lot more grip, and I can actually slide this back and forth. So I think there was some confusion when we first showed this. We had Tom over at Tech Accessories make mock-ups for us. He CNC'd these slots in here, and it's exposing the silver. But this is not how it will look in production. It will be anodized after the mill, so it'll blend in more like this, and you won't see the slots so much. It won't be silver. So on the black anodized one, it will be black in there. And then on the titanium version, it will be this natural titanium color inside those slots. Now, another advantage to having these slots is the ability to add these glow diodes into them. These are bright, glow in the dark, little pill-shaped diodes, or embers we're calling them. We're gonna do a poll to see which name you guys like better. And these are gonna come in 3 different colors. We have green, orange, and aqua. So I've got some samples right here. And so if you want to put these into your V scale, you're going to buy a 3-pack of these. It's a DIY project, so you're gonna have to glue these in yourself. It's really easy to do, and it's something that if you're a knife modder or sack modder, it's something you're probably used to. If not, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm using some Loctite here, 401, but you can use any super glue you can get at the hardware store on Amazon. And you're just gonna put a little dab of glue right into these slots and then just push the glow diodes into them. Let me show you how I do that. So I'm gonna do actually a rainbow stoplight version, what they call it on our Discord. And I'm gonna do all 3 colors in one. So I'm just adding a little strip of glue to each slot. You don't wanna add too much or else it will gush out the sides. I'm just gonna drop it right here into the slot. Actually, I want orange in the middle. And there we go, I got all 3 colors in there. It sticks up about 1/2 millimeter. So now I've got this on the mag mount, and it gives you that same nice grip here for fidgeting. And I also think it looks pretty cool, especially when you turn the lights off.